Alright. Well, what's up guys? Haven't recorded in a while. Yeah, I'm going to the Cycle Gear meet tonight. Didn't record last time, or I did, but it just wasn't really video worthy, so hopefully it is this time. But Gavin, if you're wondering why Gavin's not with me, he crashed his bike. Like it wasn't super serious, but it could have been really bad. So yeah, he fucked up his shifter, so he has to get a new shifter. The frame sliders did their job, he's okay, so that's really all that matters. But it's just kind of a wake-up call. Like, you gotta really be careful out here for sure. Yeah, just be aware, you know, don't be stupid. And he was riding perfectly normal. Like, we were in some twisty roads going up to Redondo. I have the footage. I don't really want to post it. It's just, I don't know really what went wrong, because I was in front of him and he ended up crashing. So he didn't answer me on the intercom, and I was very, very scared. Like, I don't know, man. Yeah, just be aware out there, guys. If you're on a fast bike, just don't do anything crazy unless, like, you know it's a safe place to do so and it's a track or something. But yeah, just wanted to say that before I head to the meet tonight. Yeah, we're going to the Cycle Gear meet today in Auburn. Should be a cool meet. My clutch isn't really slipping right now, but that might change throughout the night. I don't know. I ordered some new parts for it, so should be coming in the next week or two. I ordered a whole new, like, new springs, new plates, everything. They're apparently race grade, and I got them from Norton, so they should be good quality. I don't see why they wouldn't be. I guess we'll find out when they come. I think it's better to upgrade to better quality parts anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It was like a whole kit, so I ended up ordering that. Yeah, if you guys didn't notice, I got a new phone mount because the RAM mount kind of screwed up on me. I forgot to bring it, but I kind of dig this one. Just like, it's a lot easier to kind of manage, I guess. It's got like two springs on the side that kind of keep it in place. It's got a little open button on the back to open them up to grab your phone, so I think that's pretty cool. It was pretty cheap too. It was like 18 bucks, so not too bad. But yeah, I think the mechanic that might do my clutch and all that is gonna be there as well, so I might get to, I'll talk to him about it, all that stuff, so it should be fun. He's got a really nice bike, so I'll try and film that when I get there. And he's a certified race mechanic, so like I trust him a lot more than the Nash dealership. Don't get me wrong, Nash, like, they did pretty well, I guess, but I should not have bought a maintenance plan, dude. Like, half the shit I could do myself. Like, I don't know, oil changes, I was kind of scared at first to do it, but once I did it for the first time, it was kind of like a no-brainer. Like, I'm not gonna pay 400 bucks for a fucking oil change. Like, it's just not happening. They have like a 4-month wait time for me to get in there to get this fucking clutch fixed. And the Bonnie Moto guy was like, that's his name, Bonnie Moto. If you guys live in Washington and want, you know, stuff done to your bike, especially a BMW or Ducati, I go to him. He's like specialized in that shit. He's a specialist. Like, I don't know, he said he's experienced in other bikes as well, just he specializes in BMW and Ducati for like his main. It usually starts to slip around 8,000 or so. So, I mean, I just adjusted it again just to get the right free play, and everything's working out great so far. Shifting awesome. Yeah, once I get that clutch all figured out, I still want to do a track day, but with Gavin, my parents kind of look at it differently now, I think, with like riding and stuff. I mean, it was like no one else was involved except himself, so it was, I guess it was his fault in a way, but like, I don't know, just kind of a wake-up call, like, to not be stupid, even though we weren't being stupid on that ride at all. We were, all the other people, I don't know, they should have been the ones that crashed or something, because they were going fucking insane through the twisties, dude. I mean, granted, they're more experienced, but like, I don't know, unless, yeah, I don't know. I'm not bitter about it, it's just like, it had to be Gavin, you know? Even though he was the one riding like perfectly normal. Like, he's probably the most conservative rider that like I've seen, I guess. Like, there's a lot of people at the meets that are just there to do wheelies and show off. Like, we're just there to like ride with people. That's like about it. because we have ourselves to ride with, of course, but it's just, it gets kind of boring without like other people in the group with us, you know. So that's what we were planning on doing, and then that happened. We didn't even make it to the meetup spot because he crashed right before that. So I might insert pictures of his shifter and all that, but this bike is so loud on the highway. Oh man, because it revs so high, it's just at all times. I definitely want to upgrade, but like with that happening with Gavin and stuff, like this is all the more reason to not upgrade right now. I'll probably upgrade like next summer or something, but this is fine with me, dude. I'm glad we have these, so. I wanted to get around those cars. I do not like being behind cars like that. But yeah, I'm still thinking about the Gavin crashing a little bit. Just like people are saying, like it's bound to happen, especially as a beginner. I agree. I don't know. I don't like thinking about crashing. I just want to be like the best rider I can possibly be without being stupid, you know? Like that's why I kind of wanted to do the track day, because like that kind of riding will teach us a bit more about our bikes and like how to handle them. I don't know. My parents were just thinking we wanted to go fast and all that, which like that's part of it for sure. Like who doesn't want to go to the track and max out your bike, you know? But then they were talking about insurance, and if we were to crash, like stuff like that, then you know what would happen. I get that, but I don't know. I just think in that situation that might have helped him a little bit to kind of handle his bike a bit better. All right, we're almost at the meetup spot. Should be there in about a minute. Yeah, I adjusted my clutch. Like at first it was like kind of the friction zone would let out a little bit earlier, but I made it back to stock because there was way too much free play on that clutch lever. So yo. Come on. There we go. What'd you say?
How do you like your 400?
It's pretty nice. Nice and manageable.
Nimble.
Yeah. Nothing crazy though.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Alright, we're recording. About to leave this meet. It's kind of dead. We're not going crazy. We're just gonna go down to like Lake Meridian or something like that. They're going for a ride, so I'm gonna go. It's kind of dead over there anyway.
High RPM.
What'd you say?
Let's hear the exhaust at high RPM. Oh, that's nice.
Not even going that crazy. This is pretty normal, I'd say.
Sounds so good. I just can't wait to get mine on. I can't wait to come home, fucking slap that thing on.
He's getting the same exhaust I am, so. Forgot about that. The turning up here is like, or the intersection is really weird. That lane is like a turn lane only. My clutch isn't slipping though. It feels a little bit faster. But he said he wanted, after this bike, he wants to get a ZX6R, which is cool. Right now I don't see a need to get anything more. I love this bike right now. It sounds good. So, and his bike will too once he gets the exhaust that I have on it. The exhaust sounds so nice. He said when he was riding on the highway, it like just fell off, but it was connected through a screw, so it stayed on. It just Woo! Holy fuck, dude. Damn, that shit's loud. I'm not doing that shit. Alright, that guy's cool. He was cool about it. No, no, no. Nah. Okay, dude. Where are we going, dude? Fuck. I didn't know they were taking a picture this whole goddamn time. Holy shit, dude. Any place could have worked. I've never done this before. Alright guys, we're live again. Or not live, we're recording again. We just kind of left that meet a little early. It was kind of dead, so. But yeah, we took some cool photos at Kent Meridian, which is pretty cool. I haven't been here in a minute, so it was kind of nice coming back. That bike sounds so good. I like those pops, dude. Oh my god. He's moving. I mean, I could probably keep up, but I'm not trying to have a talk with my parents about me going fast. So, but yeah, his friend, he's gonna get my exhaust on his 300, which is pretty cool. Like, I like this exhaust a lot. I mean, it sounds perfect. It's not super loud, but people can definitely hear you when you're on the highway. Slipping a little bit there too, but I mean, not bad. Like, that's still rideable, and I'm getting new shit anyways. Wish lane splitting was legal. I would gladly do it if it was legal. I'll fill up here. I only have 30 miles left on my tank, so blinker, dude. Maybe just let it flow. Let it flow. Alright, we're back. holding up pretty well. Liking it.